Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix server connection error in NBA 2K. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure your internet connection is stable by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data hotspots to see if the issue is network related. Next, check whether the NBA 2K servers are currently down or undergoing maintenance, since server outages can prevent you from connecting online. If the servers are working, restart your console or PC and try launching the game again. Next, open your Windows settings and search for Troubleshoot. Select Troubleshoot Settings, then click Other Troubleshooters. Find the Network and Internet Troubleshooter and click Run. Allow Windows to scan your connection and detect any network issues. If problems are found, follow the recommended fixes. So that's basically how you can fix server connection error in NBA 2K. And that's it for this video. Thanks.